So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a payment gateway to your Hostinger website. So the first thing you want to do is go to your H panel on Hostinger. From here, I'm just going to go step by step in showing you how the Hostinger support itself explains the process. So from here, you can see online gateway on your store. So you can see from the website builder. So if you go to here, you will see your websites right here. You're going to see a layout from here once you get your own web hosting. So from here, you're going to be accessing your store. And right about here, you're going to see the option for your store settings. And after that, you're going to see a list on there, which will basically say payment afterwards. So you will need to click on that. So from here, once you click on payments, you will see a layout that's similar to here. And from here, you can see some of the advantages of the offered gateways like Stripe, or you can see underneath PayPal, then Razorpay, as well as dLocal, Paysera, and some other as well. So through here, you can see PayPal, which countries are supported, but you can see then on Stripe, the Stripe's list of supported countries. So make sure that once you set up your own payment gateway, that it's going to work for you. So basically that it's going to attract as many potential buyers as it can. So just make sure that you're completely satisfied with it before you install it. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Hostinger or some other topics you might find interesting as well. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.